Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to slice a dictionary. Not a list, a dictionary. Okay, so I'm going to create a little function. Whoops. Before we start, let's just make this a little bit bigger, shall we? Go to 20, I think we'll do. Okay, so we're going to create a function called dict slice. So, oh dear, what am I doing? I'm not in Perl now. Okay, I'm in Python, I keep forgetting. Been doing a lot of coding in Perl over the last few days and it's kind of sticking. So, my dic here, and this is where we create the dictionary. And we're going to say something like x is equal to 10, and then we're going to do something like, these are just random, whoops, let's pull that in a little bit closer. These are just random values, by the way. That's going to be 20, and then we're going to do something like z, that's going to be 30, and we're going to do something like a name Bill, it's going to be 34, and finally Steve here, it's going to be 77. Right, okay, so that's our dictionary. And we're going to slice it using keys here. So we're going to put key slice, I'm going to call it key slice, and then we're going to do what we're going to slice by keys. Okay, so I'm going to get x here, and I'm going to get, let's say, z here, and I'm gonna get Bill. Okay, so this is just random stuff. Right, so I'm going to create another variable here called sliced dic. And the key here is going to be equal to my, let's just move that up a little bit, my dic. Okay, and we're going to do key, my dic key, for key in say key slice. Okay, right, and we're going to print going to be sliced dic. Right, all we have to do now is call it. Okay, I'm just going to save this and I'm going to run it. Whoops, slight problem there. Okay, that's better. Let's save it and hopefully be able to slice this dictionary. So the keys x, z, and Bill. So let's run this. Okay, so there you go. So we sliced it. We've got x, 10, z, 30, and Bill, 34. So I hope you like that, and I hope that answered some of your questions, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.